Sarah wants to estimate the number of fish in her pond. She goes out and catches and tags 32 fish, throws them back in. The following week, she goes out and catches 40 fish, noticing 7 of those were tagged. Assuming proportionality, approximately how many fish are in her pond? Now, if you think about it, this part right here kind of tells you what we're talking about. She's got a certain number of fish, how many of them are tagged? So we're comparing tagged to total. And I like to think about, labeling proportions. She has her first catch and then her second catch. So in the first catch, 32 were tagged because she caught and tagged 32 fish. We don't know how many total fish there were because, they were all the fish in the pond. On her second catch, only 7 were tagged out of 40 total. So she caught 40 total fish, but only 7 of them were tagged. Now we have a consistently set up proportion that we can now solve. So our proportion, 32 over x equals 7 over 40. So remember, to solve a proportion, we cross multiply. That means I have 7x equals, now I go this direction, 32 times 40, which yields 1,280. Remember that the equal sign splits this into 2 parts, and I divide both sides by 7. Now when I do that, I get 182.857. It goes on and on and on and on and on. Well, we're talking about number of fish, and I don't know about you guys, but I've never seen 0.857 of a fish. So we went around to the nearest whole fish. 8 tells us to round up, so we would say the answer is approximately 183 fish.